Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $200 quick and easy just by doing easy clicks in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. And a huge special thank you to 7,000 subscribers, my people. We have reached 7,000 subscribers, and that is such an important milestone for us, and it wouldn't have been possible without you guys subscribing and supporting the channel every step of the way. So me and Dollar Influencer are always going to be thankful and grateful for the support that we are always facing on this channel. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts, and we will forever be thankful. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is that you need to go on Google and type SERP clicks, and it will take you to a range of options. So I clicked on the first option to kind of show you guys where it takes you. If you click on the first option, then it won't take you to the place where you can actually make money. Click on the become a clicker option. Once you do that, you will get to this home page where it says get paid to visit websites. Earn 0.08 to $0.10 per click. Earn 10% referral commissions. Payout minimum is $5. Online since June 2018, and there are currently 562, 564. A lot of people are currently online at the moment. So what happens here is that you're pretty much getting paid to go on multiple websites and just click on them. Now a lot of people may be wondering, why would they be a website for you to just do clicks and make money? Well, these websites want to do research on these websites, and these websites will literally pay them so that you can go on the website, if that makes sense. As it says here, no application is required. Anyone from any country can work for SERP clicks. We do not filter or interview workers. This is a great option for easy money in countries with low job opportunities. And of course, PayPal. All of our clickers are paid via PayPal. Once you reach the minimum threshold, which is $5, then you will receive your money. Now the very good thing about this is that you don't really need to do much work. So if you are thinking that this might be a scam, you can easily find out immediately whether it's a scam or whether it's legit. So what these websites do is that they're paying other people so that you can go on their websites, and in turn they get data and you get money, which is why they're not paying you a lot of money. So after that, guys, you go on the registration where you add your email, your password, and your PayPal email, and you confirm it. Always make sure that you enter the right details when it comes to your PayPal email. Make sure that you confirm it, make sure that it's right. After you've done that, then you can easily press the submit button and you should be okay. So just make sure that you follow all of my instructions, guys. When you go on Google, do not click on the first option. Make sure to click on become a clicker. Once you click on that option, you will be taken to the page that we just went through in this video, and you should be okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Before we go, I want to say again, thank you for 7,000 subscribers. We are so happy to have achieved this goal, and as I said, we would not have achieved it without you guys. So the 26th of November is coming soon, guys. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button, comment, because you might be one of the people that wins the giveaway on the 26th of November. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Peace.